Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I got a really nice boat here for you today. This is a 2023 Sea Ray 190 SPX. The SPX lineup is the sport boat lineup, and this is the smallest in the Sea Ray lineup of boats. So 19 feet. This is 19 feet 6 inches long with an 8.4 wide beam on it. So nice big 19 footer. Really a big fan of this boat. We got this with the quantum blue hull side and the sport stripe along the side with the white bottom. This boat does come with the dual axle trailer with swing tongue as well, so easy to get in a garage. On the back, Sea Ray made a conscious effort to make this be a nice big swim platform. Spent a lot of time on the back of the boat, anchored out, hanging out with the family. So lots of space back here to sit or to jump off. You got the nice boarding ladder right here. And then also with this boat, we added the 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower engine on this at 19 SPX. So this thing is an absolute rocket ship with the 250 in it. Plenty of power to do all sorts of water sports or just to go hang out on the water. So a few options on the interior I want to take you through. So let's go take a look. All right, welcome aboard this 19 SPX. First thing I want to show you, a lot of people really like this, is the true walkthrough as you come down into the cockpit. We got the sea deck, we got the steps coming down. You don't have to go over any of your upholstery. It's easy, nice walk into the cockpit area. So once we get in, we can see this has the gray interior, but they call that a stone in Sea Ray's world. So the stone interior with a little bit darker black accent that runs around. Nice big sun pad up here to hang out. Once we pop in here, we've got a insulated cooler. So you just put some ice in there. There's a drain in it. You can have your cooler. There's also a spot as you walk in for a carry-on cooler as well. So it keeps the clutter out of the middle of the boat, which is great. This particular boat we got with the two captain's chairs, the two bucket seats. Both have bolsters on them that go up so it can get you above the windshield. And then up here at the helm, we got the nice beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with the Sea Ray logo. We got the standard Fusion stereo. Now this actually is, the speakers are upgraded in this one. So we have the upgraded speaker system with a subwoofer and an amplifier, Bluetooth. We have USBs on this boat. So the sound quality is quite amazing with this upgraded stereo system. We did upgrade too with the Simrad. So the Simrad system is a touchscreen system, gives you all sorts of GPS, depth, everything you need, engine diagnostics, things like that. So the Simrad system is great to have as well. And then the last upgrade that they did in this boat was LED lighting. So you got LED lighting, lights that can come on in the cup holders and around the cockpit and around the bow as well. So some storage here. We got storage in the floor for skis or whatever else you need. And then up in the bow, the SPX has more of kind of a rounded bow, which gives you actually more space. So I've got room on each side. And then right now you can see it does have the bow filler cushion. That can come out if you'd like. It's a nice walkway off the boat, but if you want to fill it all in, somebody could be sitting right here with their back up against there. So plenty of room up in the bow. You also have an anchor locker in the bow as well. The 19 SPX, super popular model here in the Rogers location. It's a great boat, fun to drive. Like I said, easy to trailer around, easy to put in a garage if you need to. So this boat here is at our Rogers location. If you want to come by, stop on by. We'll show it to you. Otherwise, you can call us and set up an appointment. As always, please click the like button on this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.